Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you where you can buy the Dream X40 Ultra. So in the first way, you can just download the Dream home application, then go to the mall, and as you can see there we have the devices. We can click on the robot vacuums, and you can buy that directly from the application. Sorry, it didn't load. I don't know why. We can just find it by the search. Okay, we also cannot, so just give me a second. We can find it in the Google. Okay, now in the Google just type the Dream official site. Look for the Dream Global or Dream Tech. The Dream Tech is for the United States. As you can see, it looks like in the application, but maybe it's working better. Okay, it's just take a lot of time. Okay, and now we can just look for the X40 Ultra. As you can see, it's located here. We can just click on the add to cart and go to the checkout. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.